What's up, man? Today not a trading day. It's Sunday, June 23rd, 6:20 p.m. But I'm a part-time UPS driver, so I haven't been able to trade in like the past week, last week. Let me see, I can pull up a candle on here. Yeah, I can pull up a calendar on here. Who I'm at? Today the 23rd. So this was the last day I was able to actually trade. I wasn't able to trade on the 14th. I wasn't able to trade on the 17th. I was able to trade on the 18th because I ain't have to go do the driving till like 2 p.m. that day. So I was able to trade. And then this was a holiday anyway. And I think I probably caught a setup on this day on the demo. And basically this week I'm finna be all just trading the demo account if I can while I'm on road driving. Just look at my phone, see if I can mark up something, try to catch a setup. Maybe not. Most likely maybe because I want to trade. I want to trade so bad, but I can't. And I ain't finna be taking no real trades while I'm on road driving. Like I can't sit there and analyze the chart and get in how I want to, analyze the trade. If I want to get out, I just can't monitor it how I want to. So I just do it on the demo account and let it go like that. So I'd rather do it on a demo than be risking my real money and be hurting myself. Because no. This is a serious thing right here. This is a very serious thing right here. I take it very serious. But what I was finna show is my account P&L. But first I'm finna show I just added, because since I've been on a win streak and I know my strategy and I know I'm following my rules, and it's like I know I'm not finna take a trade unless it's going by my plan. It's like I done been through the downs. Like I started trading July 2020. I haven't been able to trade how I've been trading at the beginning of this year. Like I actually been able to trade. I'm gonna go and show, but since January, even though I might have been on road a couple times till now, but I actually been able to trade dang near every single day. And with me trading every single day, I'm able to hone in on my strategy. I've been having the same strategy since I started this channel. Like I've been trading for a while, but in and out. But this time I've been able to bid on it. But this been my same strategy. I just been paying attention and actually following it. Like since January, I was supposed to have been following this strategy. In January, I was supposed to be following this strategy to a T. Like I was supposed to be following it, but I still been breaking rules and not following how I was supposed to. But now, since I've been following it, I've been on a win streak. I've been on a good win streak. Why this chart don't wanna come up, man? Let me see something. Let's see if this make it come up even better. Yeah, live account. Yeah, but blah, this the charts. But I wanted to just show is my account balance. I was at $1,261.12. I added $2,000. I wouldn't be adding extra money in this account right now if I was still losing how I was. Like I've been having money to put into the account, more money, and I got more money to add, and I'm gonna get more money to add as I drive. But I wouldn't be adding money in this account if I didn't know that I had my strategy down. Like my strategy is made for me to win, and I got my strategy down pack. I feel I just feel like I got it. Like I'm not gonna break my rules because I don't want to lose. I do not want to lose. Like I don't even know how I can explain it, but I don't want to lose. So just because I don't want to lose, I am not finna break my rules. Okay, this is my trade bait. Usually I could sign in on both. Did they sign me out of this one to sign me up in that one? I guess I'm still in it. Yeah. But okay. We're doing account P&L. So we go to this. No. We don't go to that. We go to this. No, we go to this. We go to that. Okay. Account balance history. And we're going to do this year because I started this account in January. See? 5,000. So I started January 12th. See? 16th, 17th. I'm able to trade every day. And as you can see, win a couple, lost, won a couple, lost. So it's like, this is my full account P&L right here. This is everything. All through January, all through February. So I was able to trade and get it going. You see them numbers going down and down, you know, because I've been not following my rules, man. Not following my rules. I feel like I was supposed to be profitable. But the hardest thing is having them rules. Like you can have the rules, but following the rules is the problem. Look, this is my birthday, March 5th. That was my birthday. What I did, I won $7. I won $7 on my birthday. Look, lost before that and lost after that. Hey, I'm just gonna keep going down through the months. We up in March, but yeah, I was supposed to be profitable. The only problem was me not following my rules. That was the main problem. See, look, as you can see, I was able to trade that every day, each month. Look like I missed a whole week in between this right here. Been on road driving. Shoot, I was able to come back and still trade. But look at the numbers. We all the way down to 1,000 now. You see? We all the way down to 1,000. What we is at in April? In them thousands. See, I'm able to trade every day. But through all of this, some learning was happening. Some learning definitely was happening through all of this time. Some gut punches, some slugs, getting beat up. Man, now we in May. Dang that every day in May, I was able to trade. Still not following the rules, not following the plan. Ain't doing what I was supposed to do. Even in May. The lowest I went, 1058. Let's see if we're going to go. Oh, no. Yep. This is the lowest I've been. $1,058.20. That's the lowest I've been. And this month, starting out in June, because I was getting, look, it was showing some changing. Where is it? 1058. See, towards the end of May, you can see there's some changes going on. There's some changes going on. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if I trade these days because it say zero, but you see, it's some changes going on somewhere off up in here. See, it's kind of some change. It was. I felt it. I felt the change up in here. I felt it. And June is the month. June is the month. This the month where I feel it. I feel it. See, I feel it. I feel it this month. You see, I got them 2 losses, but these wins backed that up. So it was like break even that week. And you see, win. See, right now I'm on this winning streak. And the reason I'm on this winning streak is because I was following my rules. You can go look at the videos on these days. Even look at the beginning of June. If I got a video June 1st, June 3rd, June 4th, look at the videos on these days and see what I'm doing, what I'm talking about, my rules I'm talking about. Just go back and see. And this is a reason why I'm on a winning streak for these days right here. This day, didn't trade. I think that was the Friday I couldn't trade. This was the Monday I couldn't trade. But then this was last Tuesday I was able to trade. And we had got that win. It's a reason why I'm on a win streak. And it's because I'm following my rules. It's because I'm following my rules. So, as you can see right here, I added another 2,000 up in here. And I'm adding this because I know I'm following my rules. I know. You know what I'm saying? I could have added this money at any time up in here with me losing money from 5,000. Look, 5,000, 4,000, 3,000. Going down 2,000. Going down 1,000. All the way to what? $10,058? Like, I could have been added the money up in here. But I waited. I waited until I learned how to follow my strategy, follow my rules. And it took me to come all the way down to here to sit back and be like, man, I do not want to blow this account. I did not want to blow this account. When I was at this point, I did not want to blow this account. And I still do not want to blow it. So it's like, man, I just know I just got to show up and keep doing the same thing. Because my strategy worked. I know it worked. I've been having the same strategy for a long time. And every time I would lose, I'd be talking to my homeboy about it. And the reason I lose is me not following my rules. Me not going along with my strategy. That be most of the times why I would lose taking trades. But it's like now, oh man, it's up. It's up. And I'm probably not finna be able to trade, this upcoming week. Hopefully I could be back trading the week after next week. Hopefully. Because I'm trying to use all the money I can to put into this trading account. Because right now, with it being at 3,000, I'm finna be risking $150 a trade. Because I'm only doing 5%. I started out risking 10%. That's why I lost 500 right there. 10% of that, I had made 400 right there. I was probably supposed to make 500 right there, but look, 500. Look, had to size down and risk 10%, which is 400. 400. Like I was doing like 10% of the account at some point. Like that was my original strategy. Is use like 10% of the account. So if I lose 10 times in a row, I have to lose 10 times in a row to blow my account. I had to rethink that. You know what I'm saying? I had to rethink it because I was giving myself basically like one trade a day. I was giving myself one trade a day. Once I lose that one trade, it's over with. You know, I couldn't trade no more. And I ain't like that. So I had to refigure it out and size down to risking 5%, but 10% is my max loss. So if I win the first trade at 5%, then I'm out and I'm done. But if I lose the first trade at 5%, then they give me another trade that I can take to either break even. But if I lose that second trade, then I'll be down 10%. You know what I'm saying? But it gives me a chance. You know, it gives me a chance. So I'm only gonna risk 5% of the account each trade. So with the $3,000 account, I'm gonna be risking 5%, which is $150. Now, if I don't get the trade within the time span of having this 3,000 up in here, then it's most likely gonna get put to 4,000. It's gonna be getting put to 4,000. So 4,000 times 5%, I'll be risking $200 a trade, and $400 will be my max loss. See, but yeah, man, just wanted to come on here and explain it all. And that's my account P&L. That's what I did since it's been 5 months since January, February, March, April, May, June. But June is the turnaround month. I'm finna, even if I don't even be able to trade when I put that 4,000 up in there. Oh, yeah, it's finna be like that. I'm finna put 1,000 in there probably when I get paid. So it is gonna make it to 4,000, and then I'm gonna be putting another 1,000 in there. So it'll make it to 5,000. And if I be back off road and be trading, it's gonna be another 2,000 that I'm gonna put up in there, and that's gonna be 7. And it's another 2,000 in the win. If I happen to get that, then it's gonna be at 9,000. It's gonna be at 5 for sure. Really 7 for sure. But 9 potentially. Potentially. That's off me just adding money up in here and not. But I'm finna be. Whenever I get the chance to trade, I will trade. But it's still more money that I'm gonna be putting up in here in these upcoming weeks or so. So y'all see, whenever my account. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to explain it whenever I do come on here and trade. But my account finna be going back up to about 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000. Because anytime I get to trade, I'm going to trade. And that's going to be adding money too. Whatever like that. But the money finna start coming back up. I just want to come on here and explain that. And yeah, man. I'm just finna... Let's see if we can back test this real quick. I'm going to chop this video down anyway. Let's see. It's the strategy. 10 o'clock. Buy. Oh, okay. 10 o'clock. There's that. I think I was trying to take this trade on roll, and I broke even twice. Trying to do this. So we on a downtrend at 10 o'clock. We're coming up to a supply. We're coming up to a supply. Yeah. Yep. And we had this right here drawn up. So okay, so that must have been, I'm gonna say that must have been the first break right there. I must have counted that as the first break. And now we're looking for a second break. That wasn't it. Wow. There's the second break. So this is an entry. 08, 07, 06, 05, 04, 03. So 93.50 will be take profit. And 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, hold on. 8. Yeah. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hold on, something off. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So 93. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah. 23. 23.50. Take profit. So yep, I had took this trade while I was on roll, and I think it did all that, and I think I put it to break even. Once it got right here, I put it to break even, so it took me out at break even. And I think I might have did something like this, and with it coming down like that, I think I got back in right here or something like that. But I had 2 break-even trades, but really I should have waited, but I ain't able to analyze it because as you can see, it went up to my 5-minute demand. 5-minute supply. That was the first break right there, but with that candle being so strong like that, I probably would have entered right here. So 23 plus 15 is 27, 25. That would have been stop loss, and 97.25 would have been take profit. So that would have been the Dubsky, and it came off of my level. Like sometimes it don't go all the way, so that's why I entered this trade. Once it gave me a 2 break entry, and sometimes it happened like that, and wow, it was a break-even trade. Now, if I would have waited for my second trade for this to play out like this, it would have been a dub for the day because I would have broke even on the first one. So that's that one, and we're gonna go back one more day on Thursday because Thursday I won. It was while I was at the bank on Thursday. I seen the setup as soon as I was at the bank. I seen the setup and I took it. And this the one. 5-minute supply area right here. Yep, I seen it. It was the bank. I had took a break and stopped by the bank before I started running my route. And I seen this coming right up in this area at 10 o'clock around this area. It came up to the supply area and it reacted off of it. Where we at? It came up to that supply and it reacted off of it. I had my trend line drawn like this. Yep, I had my trend line drawn like that. Let's go ahead and just get the other one on there. Okay, we got that set up. It reacted off that level. It came down, didn't give us a break because this the full trend line. We ain't got a break yet. This was our first break. So after that first break, we got our second line right here. We waiting for another break. So we had this like this. It pushed back up and turned white. So we just follow along with it. Then the second came back to it. Then kind of went back up, closed out right there, still didn't break. This one came down, it turned white. So it didn't break because it turned white. So we still following it like that. Wow, that's the second break right there. That's an entry. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 91.50 is take profit. And 21.50 is stop loss. And there you go. Once they made this second break, I entered the trade. Came up, went down. 2 minutes. Right here, 3, 4 minutes. Wow. It played out in 4 minutes. And I was just like, man, this junk crazy. This junk really just played out. Like, as soon as I was just like, man, I know I want to catch a setup while I'm on roll, but on a demo account. And shoot, I just opened that mug up. I seen this setup right when I was opening it up. And I sat there on my break to take the trade and waited for it to play out. It took about a good 13 minutes from when I first started the break to get over there to the brink. And that jump played out. But yeah, man, I know my rules. I know my strategy. And so, in my opinion, it's only up from here. It's only up from here. But yeah, man, I just want to come on here and make this quick video explaining everything to whoever, wherever, myself, and stuff like that. Because I ain't going to probably be able to trade this upcoming week. But it's only up from here. It's only up from here. And I'm out.